Hello, Dr. Stock viewers. Welcoming you all to my new video. In this video, we're going to see about how the Nifty is going to behave for the upcoming week. So that is the week starting 24th till 28th. Let's straightly go to the key technical points. Right now, I'm into the daily time frame of the Nifty. So what Nifty is suggesting right now at the moment is, again, still we are into bullish mode only. Reason being, I have drawn a trend line, right? Until and unless this trend line is broken, we are going to continue in the bull mode. So currently, where we are going to hit this, we are going to hit towards 12,000 levels. There are some reasons for it. I'll let you know things one by one. So if we are not breaking this 11,370 levels and we are steadily going to close above this levels, we're going to surely hit towards 12,000 levels very closely. Okay. Coming to the point, on daily time frame, we are closed above 11371 levels at the moment. So bullish is getting continued on the daily time frame, and this trend line need to be broken. Then only the bear signal is going to come. So from there, where we will be heading, if there is any broke, is 10,900 levels. We will be heading towards that levels. Okay. Now I'm moving on to the next thing. Weekly. In weekly time frame, again bullish momentum is getting continued. Reason being, we are closing very close to the 78.6 levels, and it is showing the bullish sign again. One more important point we have to note here is V-shaped recovery. V-shaped recoveries are very, very powerful. In any time frame, if there is a V-shaped recovery, that is very powerful. So how you will be knowing a weekly time frame V-shaped level is, once this one candle is getting green, right? After that, once that momentum is going to continue above 38.2 and it's still elongating, then it is a very clear indication of the bull movement. Okay? That is clear, evident on weekly too. So where we are going to head towards in weekly is again showing, if you are not closing below 1137 levels, 370 levels, we're going to head towards 12,000 levels. I'll move to the monthly time frame now. So monthly time frame, again it is going in the V-shaped recovery only, and again 38.2 is getting sustained completely, and right now the 78.6 levels for monthly is 1126, and we are currently maintaining the same, and we are closing above it. Means that market is currently also sustaining the bull mode only. There is no point in waiting for any bear movement. So I'll give some input about what is the exact time frame this thing is going to happen and when there is a reversal possible, all the things. I'll straightly move to the 15 minutes time frame at the moment. So this will be helping you to know about how we have to trade for tomorrow. That is for the next trading day, 24th. So what this indicates, this again also indicates that we are into bullish mode. So last week we are very close to 1111 levels. This week we are very close to 11300 levels. Means that we are rallied for almost 200 plus points in this week. Now, so what is the suggestion happening here? It is going to be the last week of expiry, right? So what is going to be the most possible things? So what this is indicating is, once we are sustaining this 11380 levels and we are continuously closing above that, we're going to hit 11460 levels. And after that, what is going to happen is we will head towards 11677 levels. So that is one place where we have to keep in mind. That would be the maximum thing. And for this expiry, what is the maximum expected thing is 11520 or 11230. We will be closing very close to this range only. If we are going to go continue in the bull mode, we will be going to this range, and if we are going to a bear mode, we will be continuing this range. One important thing, why we are into consolidation at this moment, majority what is happening at the moment right now in market is currently having the VIX coming back. It's getting cooling down and it is coming back again to 19 levels. And one more important thing is, we don't have much news in the market as of now. Corona news is the one impact which are having continuously from March level. So market is again back to the normal level. So actually the 8-year value of Nifty is reduced. Previously we had around close to 250, 220 levels. Right now it is coming very close to 150 levels. So that is the reason for this max consolidation. And what is the up max thing market can retain positive, right? So there is an election in US. So that is going to happen on November 3rd. Okay. Still that time, what we can expect is the FYI might be coming in higher, or they might hold their positions. So that is the reason for all this consolidation happening. So let's move on to the next session of this video. That is the OI data, and after that we'll be going to FII data, and after that we'll be going to the PCR ratio. As you can see, the OI data very clearly specifies that 11,000 is playing as the important support at the moment. Okay. So apart from that, what is the maximum support? So since we are above that levels, right? 11,200 is currently acting as an important support. If this is getting broken, okay, we might see some bloodbath in this week. If we are not breaking 11,300 level, so that is the third highest open interest, we are going to sustain on the bull mode for sure. On the call side, 11,500 is playing an important role on the call side. That is the important resistance is falling under this value, and 11,600 is the second highest, and third highest is falling on the 11,700 levels. This clearly indicates that bull movement is going to happen for this week for sure. Now let me move on to the FI data. Okay, we can see that FIIs are currently in the bull mode. So when we check their positions, right? So they are having around net almost close to 8,670. 8,700 report there into net buy. If you see the complete month, see the equity market, they are into very most bull buy. So they have buyed around very close to 34,000 crore level. They are into net buy at this moment in this month, which is specifically very much higher when compared to other months of this year. So you can able to see this data very clearly. So that is why I am saying they are completely into bull mode at this moment. If there is major sell is happening in this place, you can able to confirm that upcoming days are going to be very, very crucial. So we can able to see the same happened on March month. That is the reason for the crucial things happened. So we can able to check the same. So right now they are to buy very long buy mode. That has happened almost. Yeah, you can see that this data is something like they are into net buy almost very close to 2 to 3 years back. Yeah, 2017 March they had made this much buy, and after this is the time they are buying this much thing. So it is like almost it is going to be a good bull run that is projected as per the data. Thanks, friends. So when you check the index options PCR data, it is very close to 0.90 level. So this also clearly indicates that they are going to continue on the buy side only. We'll move to the Bank Nifty now. So now moving on with the BNF outlook for the upcoming week, 24th to 28th. Okay. So right now 22,430 levels is paying as an important support for BNF. So that is the 38.2 level. So what is happening at the BNF right now is, so since 22nd June, okay, we are into a zigzag level moves because this is something like a channel move. So if there is a breakout above this, going to be a bullish level, breakout below this, going to be a bear level. So this 22,440, 430 is playing as an important support and it is gaining an important point. So wherever you can see, right, it is the place where the bull movement starts and it is going to cover the other 100 points like that. This is happening. So right now, BNF is also in the bullish mode, reason being very close to that levels. Again, it will return back to 23 to 33 levels. On sustaining that, we will be heading towards 24,380 levels. So that is what BNF daily is saying. Let me move to the weekly. Weekly again saying that we are into very close to the bull mode. We are going to hit towards 24,384 levels. Monthly, again, it is a slight recovery happening and we have closed 38.2 levels on monthly because this is something like 2015 low we have taken in top of. Okay. So it's like bull movement is going to continue since we are above 23, that is 38.2 levels. So we are going back again to 23 levels. That is what monthly is saying. Let me move to the quick time frame. That is 15 minutes, which will help us towards tomorrow's projection of the market. So what is the close of BNF currently showing? Something like we had a rally of around close to 600 plus points in this week completely. Out of 5 trading days, we had only close to 600 points movement in Bank Nifty. So right now the current close is again showing a bull movement and we are going to head towards 20 to 420 levels as of now. So until we are sustaining 20 to 200 levels, we are going to continue on the bull, and what is the maximum bull we can expect is 23,040 levels. So that is the point where we can take it as a resistance for this BNF for this week. So where we are going to head towards the OAI and the other data, let's go ahead and quickly have a look on it. The expiry data, everything. So moving on with the expiry view for BNF, as we are heading towards the monthly expiry, we can expect 22,900 on the long side and 21,800 on the short side. This is the expiry view for the coming expiry. Let me quickly move to the open interest. So the important support value highest open interest on the put side is falling under 22,000. So this act as an important support for the market at the moment. Okay. So moving on to the resistance value 22,500, which is acting as the highest open interest on the call side. That would be our important resistance value. So once breaking that value, the second highest is coming on 23,000. So this clearly indicates that we might move towards the long side. Thanks friends. Thanks for watching this video.